This turnkey project, built for a customer in Oman, aims to produce 1,000 new energy buses annually, providing a comprehensive solution from design to commissioning. The car equipment includes large top automatic spot welding equipment, welding and assembly power grid, assembly equipment, skin rolling equipment, skin tensioning equipment, welding fixtures, grinding rooms, conveyor lines, assisted installation equipment, lifting trolleys, etc., which fully cover the key process requirements of welding, painting and assembly workshops. This project adopts internationally advanced technical standards, combines them with local needs, and provides solid guarantees for customers to achieve high-quality, large-scale production through highly automated and intelligent equipment integration.